Hey there, fellow explorers! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of computer monitors. These screens are our windows to the digital realm. Imagine a world without monitors. How would we navigate the internet or create stunning artwork? Monitors revolutionized our computer interaction. From bulky CRTs to sleek OLEDs, their evolution is remarkable. The journey of monitor technology is a testament to human ingenuity. Our first stop takes us to the realm of LCD monitors, short for liquid crystal display. These screens have become incredibly popular due to their slim profile, affordability, and decent picture quality. But how do they actually work? Picture this. An LCD screen is like a sandwich with two slices of polarized glass and a layer of liquid crystals in between. These crystals are like tiny shutters that can block or allow light to pass through. By controlling the orientation of these crystals with electrical signals, we can create different colors and shades. Each pixel on an LCD screen is made up of 3 subpixels: red, green, and blue. By adjusting the intensity of light passing through each subpixel, we can create a wide range of colors. LCD monitors are commonly used in laptops, computer monitors, and even smartphones. They offer a good balance between performance and affordability, making them a popular choice for everyday computing tasks. Next up, we have LED monitors, short for light-emitting diode. These screens are similar to LCDs in their use of liquid crystals, but they differ in their backlighting technology. While traditional LCDs use fluorescent backlights, LEDs employ arrays of light-emitting diodes to illuminate the screen. This difference in backlighting brings several advantages. LEDs are more energy efficient than fluorescent lamps, resulting in lower power consumption and reduced electricity bills. They also allow for slimmer monitor designs and offer better color accuracy and contrast ratios. LED monitors come in 2 main flavors: edge-lit and full-array backlit. Edge-lit LEDs place the diodes around the edges of the screen, while full-array backlit LEDs distribute them evenly behind the panel. Full-array backlighting generally offers better picture quality with more uniform brightness, but it also comes at a higher price point. Section 4. OLED, the future of display. Prepare to be amazed as we enter the world of OLED monitors, short for Organic Light Emitting Diode. These cutting-edge screens are fundamentally different from LCDs and LEDs. Instead of relying on a backlight, OLED displays use organic compounds that emit light when an electric current is passed through them. This unique approach offers several advantages. First, OLEDs can achieve perfect black levels because individual pixels can be completely turned off. This results in stunning contrast ratios and vibrant colors that pop off the screen. Second, OLEDs have incredibly fast response times, making them ideal for gaming and fast-paced action movies. While OLED technology is relatively new and expensive, it has the potential to revolutionize the display industry. We're already seeing OLED screens in high-end smartphones and televisions, and they're slowly making their way into computer monitors as well. If you're looking for the absolute best picture quality money can buy, OLED is the way to go. Section 5, CRT, the grandfather of monitors. Let's take a trip down memory lane and revisit the CRT monitor, short for cathode ray tube. These bulky behemoths were once the kings of the display world, gracing homes and offices before flat-screen technologies took over. CRT monitors work by firing electrons from a cathode ray gun at a phosphor-coated screen. When the electrons strike the phosphors, they cause them to glow, creating the images we see. Different phosphors emit different colors, allowing for a full spectrum of hues. While CRT monitors offered excellent viewing angles and fast response times, they were also notorious for their size and weight. They consumed a lot of power and produced a significant amount of heat. With the advent of slimmer, more energy-efficient flat-screen technologies, CRT monitors have largely been relegated to museums and antique shops. Choosing the right monitor for you. How do I choose the right monitor for my needs? First, consider your budget. LCDs are generally the most affordable. Next, think about what you'll be using the monitor for. Gamers need fast response time and high refresh rate. Graphic designers need color accuracy and resolution. Finally, consider ergonomics. Look for adjustable height, tilt, and swivel. Find the perfect display to enhance your digital life.